sin mid record that. Right, mar go níos ceiste over a cuigan sin. Now, dúirte go C on the ciorcal, x squared plus y squared minus x minus y plus cosma 0. Okay, so hug sin dún. So here draw the end to screen all lair funche. Hín le 3. So rééis task hín go dói gastal lair funche at ein sin agus gin yet. That's the quickest way. Ask all x squared to y squared of it. At ein sin agus gin yet. So you to hín agus 3. R and sin okay, so sin cosma g squared plus f squared, so it's 1 squared sin 1 plus 9 minus so it's minus c, so raised to r cosma square root of r. Which is okay again. Okay? So exercise 20.4. Okay? Now, there's chat in the question S is a circle with centre, so to S la lair funche. S la lair funche cehair agus sé. Okay? Which touches C. So show that there are two possible circles S and find their equations. Now, smooth yes or shot. Must so just hang in with shot. With the circle of y no good sim shot, we have two options. So the circle more on, I guess to see the circle more, higla circle back. There's your first two options, right? I guess faster Hockla can ewe boilu Marshall. This is nearly rubbing small, but anyway, so natural center point. Okay, so there's your two options. Higla Bertie with Burley Hiller, or Higla Kilmore with Burley Kimberg. Does that make sense to you? Okay, so it is Connie County. Martin Vert a fad Kern in the Hiller, so Aberson R1, so the Shino got square root R. Okay, so Shin square root R and Shin, I guess in Lar Funche in Shaw, Keher La She, I guess in Lar Funche in Shaw, Heen La 3. Just like you can show right, so different right. Shin R Heen, Shin R a Da, I guess in fad at the reverse cosmla D. Now, Mobram Sama fad at the Ye Funche. So raise to D cosmla, square root. So current x heen, y heen, x a da, I guess y a da. So just sub us in the shot. I guess to make a quarter it fad at the Ye Funche. So raised you to x a da luge x a heen, so you to keher luge heen. Plus she luge 3 carney. So raised to D cosma square root nui plus nui, which is cosma square root archig. Okay, now Mata should Ceachtra external. So so it is Tashila Ceachtra S-E-A-C-H-T-R-A-C-H. So Ceachtra test equal D cosma R1 plus R2. Okay, so Mata Ceachtra, it's R1 plus R2. Okay, external circle touching. Okay, now reached task equal D cosma square root R jig, task equal R heen cosma square root R plus R2. I guess the question radius to R2. Does that make sense? Because to the sum of R1 plus R2, we should find D. Okay, so reached task equal R a da cosma square root R jig minus square root R. So to R a da cosma 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 2. So to R a da cosma square root 2. So it's in the radius. So to that and left to that and head the equations in the species in us. You to x keheraton, so minus keher squared plus y minus she squared cosma square root da squared is da. So and there's your first equation of the circle. Okay. Now it darnicon matasha n vena costan can more to mui in us n vena. So can you find your n vena? So external task equal D cosmla R1 minus R2, or in this case R2 minus R1. Okay, so in actual R dot ni small na R here. So the big one minus the small one. So can you count your shot? So reach matasha internal shana formula. So reach the square root R jig cosmla R dot square root R minus R here. So the quartu or heen sa cash on shot. That's the bigger circle, okay? Or r da minus r heen. But anyway, so shot trasnú. So reach Bahagma plus points this in bala conta jahartgum. Just pomoje. Just cartishan. It should be square root r jig. Cosma r da minus square root r. Okay, so to r da cosma square root r jig plus square root r. So to r da cosma quick square root da. Okay, so these two got the equation of species x minus k squared plus y minus j squared cosma quicker. Because 5 squared 2 squared and face a quick for dos and quicker. Okay, you know, kill the when I rubber ni saw div. Yeah, right, so the kiss to she can have that jantan door here. Okay, so I'm going to kiss over the sheet. Verify that the point P3 la quick lies on the circle C. So you to x squared plus y squared plus dou x minus k y minus nia quick cosma 0. So could it's 3 carne plus quick carne plus dou for 3 minus k for quick minus nia quick cosma 0. So you to ni plus fisa quick plus she minus phi minus nia quick cosma 0. Okay, so lies inside the circle, so that means guys have any slew. Any slew na 0 lies inside the circle. So it's all of any slew. Okay, so it lies inside the circle. So these tests could go ni plus visa quick plus she and caraha minus kids quick carash and plus 20. So these should be minus 75 ni slew na 0 so that's 4. So the variation te P3 la quick around T was D. Okay, so Tash and Earth is the usually go kill and get the shin. Grace, that's alright, listen, yeah? Yeah, Sinead, where's the shin? Just to get the shin, please, just show that it's inside the circle, just sub in. Jammer Jan to go. Okay, so go name at the punch it. To every circle, it's equal to muitin circle, there's a got any small, to steepen circle, there's a got any ni slew na 0. So just can you come your shin. Now, there's a chance good, test good goes here T with D. Now, raised, find the equation of the circle centre P which touches C at the single point. So raised, must we to or just in my sketchbook cast. So the circle away, now to slur function at T with D. So raised is a goal well a circle etnert and shown at T with D. So it's an internal constant lar function at T with D. Now lar function can change in 3 la quick. Agus den lar function circle Sean Shaw, Jitan, Luigi Heen la da. So Luigi Heen la da. So reese test question. It is Malakantis and Fod at the yeah function. So Shaw internal. Okay. So it is test good the next goal D. Codum la or da Luigi or Heen. Okay, actual or da ni smona or Heen. Okay, so this is the deal of the Morgan. So this is the fad at the yellow function. Can you come your son? Okay, so D going fad at the yellow function, whether it's external or internal. So you can understand. So this upper mod D, so the D cosmos square root x of da, so you to Luigi Heen, Luigi 3, carry here plus da Luigi quick carry here. So the D cosmos square root she jig plus nui. So the D cosmos square root is the quick, which the cosmos quick. Okay. Now this Líne set the formula. So the D cosmos quick, which the cosmos or da Luigi or Heen. So gen radius take head circle. So this is the obruma. So gen radius take head circle. So to R cosmos square root G squared plus F squared. So it's minus 1 squared in Heen plus K minus for minus plus ní ha quick. So to r cosma square root céad which the cosma j. So test goes a minus j. So raise to r a dog all the way cosma quick. All the way cosma quick j. So we should okay listen. Yeah, and then do the find the equation of the circle. So raised to left one jugget, so it's x 3 a ton, so obviously it's a wide and small, but anyway, x the hard of a quick jig, no hard of a quick. Pointed tríle quick irritativs D. Janty cartacum so sin lock me dinne r a dá when you carcal more, agus r a heen when you carcal bug. So we to r a dá minus r a heen to me factor and father to the function. So r a dá is 10 the way. To carcal more again. So actually sin j go me sin j minus r a heen. So raise quick figure. Oh, he should continue row thumbs the right way, gross in contrast. Yeah. In the row thumbs gross in contrast, just never my quick j. Because I sweet I say, but in radius is circle more j. Kind circle back away wideness. Wideness low, ni higlis away quick. Ni higlis away quick j. So, you know, basically thing just like a right net was a card of conversion, okay? So just because I'm under the Líne formula, so reach to r dá cosma quick, so you to x plus heen carne here plus y minus dá carne here cosma fisa quick. Agus sin cottage and carco. Okay. So chain rod to the formation is just because I'm under the generator diagrams. So D going in fad at the real function and then r dá r heen. So up to you which one's r1 r2. And then just put in the way in the mask. Which is okay again. Okay. Right. Right, we drag it in here section of it. We do okay listen. And you should again in you. Yeah. So no good Sheila? Yeah. Right. Right, so we head section of the intersection of a line and a circle, so shouldn't just simultaneous equations. Okay, right. So this just to surely get given us, so it's just now the tangent is in fast the tile g circle. So me Emerson even as you want much near my dadless. So Tashmidla exercise 20.5 is just the intersection. My hen Líne free circle. Yeah, within your simultaneous equations, you to my function net will Líne got free circle. So make this a question over here and here do we. Okay? Just me Emerson. So question over here. In each of the following questions, you are given the equation of a line L and this equation of a circle. Determine the coordinates of the points of intersection, F and E, and state whether or not the line is a tangent to the circle. Now, so the three question, okay? Mata circle so just mean I'm a short right? Mata circle okay? I guess the lower function shan. Ma hen Líne free circle shan. To the goal function, to the goal point of intersection. So you to x heen, y heen, I guess you to x da, y da. So you get 2 points. So to go value x, value da, y. Now, mutton tangent, line of intersection but like punch when shantaili. That means you to x against y when. There's only one coordinate, mutash on the taili. So when you have a simultaneous equation, when you want to punch x, y, then that means you've got free circle. When you have to punch when, that means that's on the taili. I guess if it's unsolvable, that means there's no point. So that means Líne to me, nil recha r. Okay, so nil recha. Nil recha, there's no solution. That means nil line the boiling circle. Which is okay. So I'm locked with any question over the here. Hogsha x plus y cosma Ceacht in the Líne. agus thugta dúine cosmid x squared plus y squared cosmna fisa quick. So how do we solve? So raise screw x in terms of y or y in terms of x. So we're just going to screw well y cosmna shart luja x. Agus subart sin is just down the cosmid. So you to x carna here plus shart luja x carna here cosmna fisa quick. Is okay, listen? So just subal a line is just a circle equation and made the mass. You to x carna plus cara nui minus car jig x plus x carna here cosmna fisa quick. So you to do x carna here minus car jig x when fisa quick you mass cara nui agus you to fisa keher. So raise you to plus fisa keher cosmna 0. So that a whole lot around to the do. So you to x carna luja shart x plus do ye cosmna 0 and we factorize. So you to x for x 3 for keher minus agus minus. So raised to x cosmna 3 or to x cosmna keher. Over mod the y. So to y cosmna shart luja 3 y cosmna keher. So sin the head coordinates 3 la keher. Agus to y cosmna shart luja keher y cosmna 3. So you to keher la 3. So raised sin Líne a golfried a circle costa yeah function. Does that make sense to Hannah? Sin Líne a golfried circle. Because how say yeah function. So me into yeah function task with golle Líne golfried circle. Was okay again. Now Mechmich we should hin out the 3 shart agus nui and our still at the hop. Was in John to go? Was John to gan in Miha, John to go say. How much is how deep from your burn the hog? Alright, so we should like John to well I know okay, let's all catch the beach again on her fridge. Can the beach and we tracky? Just not the 20.5 jerry. Right, well I had alright so could you quit Jake? Guess I will can the be Sheila Grace will can the beach into game our fridge. Sin Jante, a gift. Mona was a Jantico, that's fine, we just fun him because you was a Jantico. Question need oh hinge good archig Jante. Right, so I'm a hinge good sharchig and a stand. Right, would add the hinge again or just stop to? Alright, okay. So I'm a joke hinge right then. Is it okay? Right, so catch over the hinge. To share the circle x squared plus y squared minus car jig x plus minus car y plus 3 cosmna 0. Okay, intersects the x-axis at the points A and B. Now, so I got 3 to y, yeah, so that's equal y cosmna. Find the coordinates of A and B. So when I got 3 to the x-axis, can you count it? When circle B 3 to the x-axis, that means the y cosmna 0. So to y cosmna nevni, so you to x carne plus 0 minus car jig x minus 0 plus 3 cosmna 0. So you to x carne here minus car jig x plus 3 cosmna 0. Bracket, bracket, bracket against bracket. You to x made for x 3 made for teen jig minus against minus x cosmna 3 or x cosmna hin jig. So shin the coordinates 3 la nevni against shin A against B hin jig la nevni. We shin okay gan it. Kirsti hin jig party hin. Okay. What my god rog asked to just sense to as he comes slow sheets. Part of the do. Find AB the intercept that the circle makes on the x-axis. So fad AB. So we quite fad AB cosmna square root raised due to hinge glued 3 squared plus 0 minus 0 squared. So raised to AB cosmna square root hinge gama 3 so arth carne here. So raised to shin cosmna arth. Okay, so 8 units. Okay, so pretty straightforward. It is part of it 3. Show that the circle does not intersect the y-axis. Okay, so kinda you can show the hashband. So my hinge free to y-ash. That's going to go x cosmna 0. Okay, so my sublimation is just a cosmate due to y carne here. Luge kh y plus trasnú 3 cosma 0. Now, chain rod the higla ni and shot near me add the factorizer. So kite minus b formula usage. So musmich minus b formula or GL tinde doyle jockey hash branch. Then you be adding still. If it has no roots. Can we go back here Neddy? How do we show that something has no roots? Good man we have. B squared minus 4ac. If it has no roots, then kai shen vini sluna. Kai shen vini sluna 0. And that's how we prove. That's part of your minus b formula. I guess behogamuch and sluna 0, hence there's no intersection. So reach koni kavni rod the romageneri. Okay? So reach lean shin is that. So b squared shin minus keher kerni here. Minus keher fahin fatraha 3 ni sluna 0. So you to shade jig minus j keher medi fatraha 3. K trada. So reach ni sluna 0. So you to minus k to shade jig ni sluna 0. So the shin 4. So the variation nial ruti. So the nial punch trasnú. So there's no point of answer. So you can select that. K to say b squared minus 4ac. K to say that if minus b. We shouldn't cut down minus b from the tactical and minus. So therefore it's not going to work. But can you come here? Stein screw the leaving start. You look at that b squared minus 4ac. You said let's just point well. What any small, you know it has real roots. What any slow, it has no roots. Which is okay again. Then you can understand. Does that make sense? Yeah. Right. Can you go? Actually, okay. Listen. Right. So, show that the line is a tangent to the circle. When we okay, listen. Just double the star factorize. I guess you to punch y and x equals y. You to y x value, you to y y value, but there's a day identical. Yeah. Would you get more free 3j? Or would you okay? Ceacht, would you get more free 3j? Or would you okay? Ashley? 100%? Right. Would you okay? Let's see Jake. Lads, Adam, that's alright, let's see Jake. So just to describe x in terms of y and then subset the economic, you to quadratic equation you factorize you to near root kernel. Hence there's only 1 point. Which is okay. Right. Quick Jake, right kernel east. Would you okay listen? Ashley, okay listen. Quick Jake. So just just hear me chart Jake. Right. So here's several chart Jake. Okay. Right, a circular point with equation. So reach x kernel plus y kernel here plus x plus dou y minus j cosma 0. Okay, has a small island at its center. A frog who lives on the island is currently located at the point 3, 2. So the p, you point to 3 la do. Okay, if the island is represented as a point, find the coordinates of the island. The frog who lives on the island is currently located at the point 3 la do. So a circular pond with the equation that has a small island at the center. So layer function and coordinates and island. Yes? So reach upper mall layer function. So reach accurate equation to x squared. Always check x squared plus y squared. So gentle yedashan and change the sign. So minus 3 minus heen in the layer function. So it's natural and ella. Which is okay if the island represents a dot. So reach task is going to say a layer function luigi 3 la heen. Now verify that the frog is currently outside the pond. So reach to the giddy chest branch go all. So to let p 3 la do. We set the x equals y equals chi shin of any small na 0. So reach you to 3 kernel here plus do kernel here plus she for 3 plus do for do minus j ni small na 0. Okay, ni small na 0. So reach you to nui plus k plus r plus k minus j ni small na 0. It's reach summation like so you to nui sin 3 j draw hin plus ceir sin trá cuig minus j sin fís a cuig. So the fís a cuig ní smó na 0, so the bhrí sin te an frog ar an tí muoi. Is okay lei sin? Ní sin céal? Yeah. Right. So sin páirt over a dó. Páirt over a hín, páirt over a dó, páirt over a 3. Now, part over the 3, the frog wants to head straight for the island. We find the equation of the line containing the island and the point P. Find the coordinates of the point where the frog will reach the pond. Right. So, you can see we guessed. So, my highlight to diagram. Smooth your shot. Just now at the diagram. Just to take well. So, it's in the pond. Right? Shouldn't learn the pond and shin. The frog at near to muid an ella, obviously, right? Or to muid an pond. So it's like a algogene pond. So mata shaw luja trila luja hien. Agus ten aberna school of frog and we enjoy trila da. Shin a frog. So Mohammed then you lean a shaw. Really to me quarter point of intersection and shaw. So to me quarter. Okay. Is it okay? Yeah. Okay. Now, so we make the part to verify that the frog is currently outside the pond. Okay. Right. Now, so Tasha to meet the pond. So can you so there's by find the equation of the line. So can you make column with Líne being there to the function it? Formula. So raised to the Líne star y minus y1 cosma m x minus x1. So then slope all. So raised over ma m here to be. So the m cosma y2 minus y1 is going x2 minus x1 agus Líne sin is ja. So raised cur x hin, y hin, x da, y da. So you to y da sin da luja hin so sin plus hin is going 3 luja 3 so plus 3 so frigre you to 3 is going to share which the cosma yeah. So that's going to slope cosma yeah. So raised cosmic line y minus y1 so just do some luja hin so plus hin cosma yeah x plus 3. So you to da y plus da cosma x plus 3. So you to x minus da y cosma luja hin. So sin cosmic. Okay, and then can you make a point of intersection? Can we show us a subball chasse? Cosmic circle. So raised correct to x cosma da y minus hin and subballs in a star. So you to da y minus hin squared plus y squared plus she fa da y minus hin plus da y minus j cosma 0 and we solve. So you to k y carne hit luja k y plus hin plus y carne plus da y luja she plus da y minus j cosma 0. So you to quick y carne hit minus k solution art plus jy we should to hin minus she so minus quick cosma 0. Factorize so you to y plus da y minus 3 cosma 0 and then we factorize. So you to y for y hin for 3 minus plus agus minus. So ocean test going go y cosma hin no to y cosma 3. Okay. So reached with the y cosma hin to the x over the minus so the x cosma da for hin luja hin so sin the head coordinate hin la hin agus the darna coordinate you to y cosma luja 3 so you to luja she luja hin you to luja Ceacht. So you to luja Ceacht la 3. So sin the coordinate natural the frog the trasnú pond. Luja Ceacht la 3 or luja 3 gomenske. So kin kan Sheila. Hin la hin and luja Ceacht la luja 3. Hin la hin. Yes, sin can cart. hín le hín. That's the shortest distance. Because smuichi, seo hín le hín and seo, gus mo haine tú gáil sin lúide seart le lúide trí. Lúide seart le lúide trí. Was sin okay? Is that you sin ceal down on you? Okay. Right. Is that good? So we'll be alright to get that. Are you going? Not really, well. Right, Right, yeah, in with 20.6 and why that's wrong, right? Just hash meter 20.6. Now, you with 20.6, I guess but your 20.7, chances the wrong and why that. It's cut that, and then we have a race. I know, alright, okay. Right, that'll do. Screw it to Dean Shaw in the chapters. Ceacht Quiggigus, she. Alright, Najin Jarmut, yes, I. Screw it to Dean Shaw or cabbage at Ceacht Quiggigus, she. Okay.